Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can reset or factory reset your Windows from command prompt. So there's a shortcut. If you prefer the command prompt, you can try to tap CMD and run command prompt by administrator as administrator here. You can click next or yes, sorry. And here you can try to, sorry, let's revert. You can try to type system reset space strip factory reset and then enter. After the enter, you can select whether you want to keep my files or remove everything. Then a Windows will display what resetting will do to your PC. If everything is per your selection, click on the reset button. It's easy, right? So please back up your file first. Maybe there are important files that you want to keep before you reset your PC. Feel free to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. And also click the next button below. See you in the next video.